Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to summarize a YouTube video using Chatgpt. So you want to have your video on hand and of course you want to have your Chatgpt opened already. Now formerly you could copy the web link to this video and paste it on Chatgpt and simply ask it to summarize it. But that doesn't work anymore, so what you can do is to go down from the video, click on the drop down for the description, and then you're going to look for the transcript. You can see here, show transcript. When we click on that, it's going to take you back up, but on the right side, you can see transcript. Now, what you can do here is to toggle timestamps because it might be showing you this. You can click on the three dots here, click on toggle timestamps, and then you could copy everything. When you do that, you can take this over to Chatgpt, and then while holding Shift, Enter, you can go down some spaces below and say, summarize this video transcript. Click on Enter. And when you scroll down, it shows you the summary of this video. Awesome, right? If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.